Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's unboxing of the 2021 Celebrating Lion King virtual Run Disney race. I participated in this was the first time I participated in a virtual Run Disney race, and I did all of my races in June and finally got my medals this past week. So we're just gonna jump right in and take a look at what these medals look like, what is a virtual Run Disney race, who can participate in it, and we'll probably just chat about Run Disney too because that's exciting. All right, let's get started. My medals came in this really cute box. It has the Lion King sunset on the front, Run Disney virtual race 2021. It is really cute. So for the virtual races, they are what they're named. They're virtual. So you participate in a Run Disney event wherever you're at. So for my 3 races, I did a walk or 2 walks, and then I did my Peloton bike. I counted one of those as my 5K. So that is what I did for my virtual race. You could walk, you could run, you could go on your bike, you could go on like a bike outside. You can do them in any way you want. I'm sure some people don't even do it. They just buy it for the medals. I don't know. But just so you know, anyone can participate in the virtual races. They do have virtual races for marathon weekend as well. I will say there's nothing like running through Disney Park. I'm not a big runner, but I participated in the 5K in January of 2020, and it was so much fun. Once I completed that race, I knew that I was gonna be going back soon. I would love to do the Dopey Challenge. The Dopey Challenge is when you do all races during race weekend. So that means you do the 5K, the 10K, the half marathon, and the full marathon within 4 days of each other. I would love to be able to accomplish that at least once. Some people do it every single year, but eventually that is my goal. I better start training now. But we did the marathon weekend. We were there. We were gonna be there, and so we signed up just on Run Disney's website. It was myself, my mom, and my sister. It was such a fun time. We really enjoyed it, doing it together. It was kind of cold when we did it, but sometimes it's super, super hot. So weather-wise, you never really know. But let's jump in to see what these medals look like. There were 3 races you could participate in. And then if you participated in all 3, you got I can't remember what they called it. The virtual challenge, like extra medal because you completed them all. For full transparency, that was the only one available when I went and purchased this. So all of the individual races were already booked up, and so my only option was to do all 3, which I was okay with because then I got 4 medals and then like a virtual series little medals. So what the box looks like, they're really, really cute. I'm a big fan of Lion King, so I was really happy with these. This is just like a quick overview of what they look like in the box. But now let's take them out. Ooh, okay. So this is the first one. This one is Simba on the front, and then it says Run Disney Virtual 5K 2021, and it has Disney Lion King on the back. This is the next medal. This one was the Lion King, the award-winning Best Musical. So this one was around the Lion King musical, which is on Broadway. This one's kind of crazy looking. And then it has the Lion King musical on the front. These are very thick, heavy-duty medals. They're really cool. The third medal is just Rafiki holding up Simba. And again, this is just the virtual 5K on the front, and then the back it has Disney's Lion King. These are so cute. And finally, this is the virtual challenge completion medal. So this just means that you did all 3 of the Lion King challenges. 2021 virtual challenge, and it says Run Disney virtual challenge on the lanyard. Challenges in Run Disney always have an extra completion medal. So if you would do the Dopey in the parks, you would get an extra completion medal. I think they have a Goofy one too if you complete, I don't know if it's the 5K and the 10K or if it is the 10K and the half. One of those is then like a completion medal. And then you also received a virtual series, virtual challenge completion pin. It's super cool because it looks just like the medal, but it is a pin and it even has like the little lanyard or ribbon around it. It even has like the little ribbon. It is super cute. Let me get the big one. This is the big one and the little one. Like, look how cute those are. I love him. We also received this little roaring recognition letter. It just says, congratulations on ruling the Velocity Fun 2021 Run Disney Virtual Series honoring the Lion King. And no matter where you ran, we know that, like Simba, your undeniable strength and determination moved you to the finish. The enclosed bling to honor your amazing achievement. Be sure to visit rundisney.com to find out upcoming events. Thanks for being a part of our pride and a part of the magic. Sincerely, Farallon Kelly, Vice President of Run Disney. So yeah, that was just like a cute little letter. So yeah, those are my medals from my virtual Lion King challenge with Run Disney. I really enjoy them. I think they're super cute. I run for the medals because the medals are adorable. I have my my first ever Run Disney medal, a 5K. This one was from 2020 before everything hit the fan. Absolutely love to participate in another Run Disney event, and I 100% will. I'm not totally sure when that will be yet. I won't get to go to the marathon weekend this next year in 2022. We were gonna go to Princess, but then we decided to push our trip back a little bit. So we won't be able to do probably any Run Disney events next year unless I find a way to get to the Wine and Dine one in the fall. Who knows? The world is our palm tree, as Tim Tracker says. But I really enjoy Run Disney. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy Run Disney. It is something that, like, it's a really tight-knit community and a lot of people do it over and over again. A lot of new people don't really join. So let me know in the comments below if that's something that you guys like to do during your Walt Disney World vacations. It definitely is hard to do during your trips because you really, especially if you're doing Dopey and doing every single run, you really have to watch how much you're walking in the parks and taking care of your body first and foremost. Watching today's video and our unboxing of our Lion King Virtual Run Disney Challenge medals. Let me know in the comments if you guys have done Run Disney, which one is your favorite. I really like Simba. This one is cute, but then the virtual challenge and the little pin that matches. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which medal you guys like best, and I will see you real soon. Bye.